that we're talking about when we talk about digital twins, digitalizing your processes, they are enablers of how you're going to be able to utilize AI effectively in the future. So when you're digitalizing your processes, you're able to get relevant operational data from the field. When you have step-by-step work instructions digitalized, you're able to get data like how much time have we used for this specific step. We can get that video information, pictures, all this data, and that's relevant operational data, and that creates the foundation for you to be able to utilize it to understand where do those variations come from, and that's where the data analytics AI can help you. But the XR technology, the digital tools, they will help you create that foundation on what to build on and how to use that data effectively.